Hey Lester, Danny, Tameron Hyundai. I want to first thank you for the internet inquiry on the beautiful Santa Fe 2014. Did not specify a trim level or color, so I pulled this one out for you to see. This one is the GLS third row seating with a premium package, so it has your leather seats, heated seats. Go on inside. I want to show you a little bit about it. As you can see, all of our Santa Fe's do come with a beautiful rims. Plenty of space to get in there. The third row does have its own controls for climate controls over there for your heating and cooling. On the steering wheel, you do see all your safety controls and conveniences right here on the steering wheel. Volume controls for your radio, Bluetooth control for your phone, which I will help you pair before you even leave the lot. Cruise control with the steering sensitivity. I can explain to you when you come in. I can explain to you a little bit more about that, and also your triptometer that will show you how long you got until your tank is empty and all other information. In the center, you do see it's a large 4.3-inch backup camera with touchscreen, XM radio, AM, FM, and CD player, and also both seats are heated in the front here. But the best part of this vehicle is our warranty. Hyundai does a great thing for their customer. They give you 10 years, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. But here at Tameron, we double that for you. No charge to you. That's right. That's going to be 20 years, 200,000 miles of America's best work to you, and no charge. We're also going to give you 5 years, 60,000 miles of your new car warranty, or bumper to bumper, and also 5 years unlimited mile roadside assistance. Give me a call. Come in. End of the month. Got some great deals, great incentives going on right now. We're going to make sure we get you in this car. 205-492-7228 is my phone number. 205-380-6250 is the number here at the dealership. Look forward to seeing you, Lester. Give me a call. Love to help you out. See you soon.